Have you ever wondered why we use pineapple peels in almost every authentic Zobo recipe? Well, it's not just about reducing waste. The peels actually hold a higher concentration of bromelain, an enzyme that is incredible for digestion, and they provide a deep tart earthiness that the juice can't give you alone. So when you simmer these peels, you are extracting a natural sweetness and aroma that makes your Zobo drink smells like tropical vacation. And it's Ramadan in 30 days, and that is why I'm sharing my exotic Zobo recipe with you. So in a bowl or a pot, you add in your pineapple peels, your watermelon rind, orange slices, and ginger. Add enough water to cover this up and boil this. After it comes to a boil, then you simmer for 15 minutes. This way, you're extracting all the extract and flavors from all these ingredients before you add your Zobo to it. To make this truly exotic, we are not just sticking to the basic. We are making a flavor profile that really makes this bangs. So your orange and lemon, and add lemongrass if you had some. They're essential vitamin C and they add brightness. Your apple can add a subtle mellow sweetness to it, and fresh ginger for that signature zingy warmth. So this is my Zobo petals I'm going to be using. A lot of them they're actually very dirty, so please wash it, remove the stones, see. And then when you wash it, some other dirt are going to float at the top and the sand parts are going to sit at the bottom of the bowl. So this is how much sand I got in the one I washed. So please wash yours so that you do not really cook stones and dirt in your stuffs. So let's talk about spices. We are using cinnamon stick and star anise for this sophisticated scent. And please, I'm always being careful when I'm using. I don't use cloves for all my Zobo recipe because I do not know who is going to be drinking this. And you do not know if you have a pregnant guest that will be drinking out of this recipe. So they're very potent and I really do not want trouble with anybody drinking it. So no cloves in my own recipe until I know it is for me and my family alone. So this recipe is sweetened with fruit, 100% fruit. So I had 3 big pineapples, orange, cucumbers, and orange and lemon. And I use my juicer for that. We did not boil our Zobo. We steeped it. Please do not boil your Zobo because you lose all the nutritional properties when you boil it. If you want your Zobo to taste premium, steep it for 10 to 12 hours overnight. Then you had your juice the next morning. So when you had your juice to eat, you sweeten it up and then sieve it out just in case there are a little bit pop here and there to eat. And this is naturally sweetened. I mean naturally sweetened because we are preparing our body for Ramadan is coming. You want it to be refined, sugar free. So I'm sweetening my own exotic blend with Jaggery, but you can use date powder, date syrup, or fresh juice to sweeten your own. This way you get a refreshing drink that will not give you a sugar crash later. And there you have it. Your perfect exotic Zobo is ready. So in Ramadan, if you want to serve this as a platter, just add chopped fruit in your dispensers, add your ice cubes, then you're adding your Zobo. Just pour it in. This way, it infuses more fruity flavor before you are ready to serve it, and everybody can enjoy premium flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. See you in my next one.